Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. How are you guys doing? It's a beautiful day here, so wherever you are, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Alright, today's videos we're going to do a skincare unboxing and demo, and this time we're going to do something really cool, and I never have done this treatment before. I think it's one of the kind, very unique. Are you ready? Okay, it is by Face Gym, and this is the Active Blast and Hydro-Bound. These two together will give my skin more firmer looking, softer texture, smooth out the fine lines or wrinkles on my face. So let's open this up and see if this is gonna work. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, hello, I'm Steve Jen. My YouTube channel is focused 90% beauty and skincare, 10% lifestyle. A little bit about my background. I have been working in the cosmetic industry in the USA for the last 27 years. I work as a beauty consultant, business manager, trainer, country trainer, brand ambassador. I hosted over thousands of master classes to help people to achieve beautiful, healthy looking skin. Also appear on QVC. This is the reason why you want to subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell, and you can count on my recommendations. 2 years ago, I left the company I worked for over 17 years and started my dream, launched my own skincare brand, Yibu Beauty, so definitely check out my skincare brand too. So I received the first. I want to say thank you so much, Face Gym, to send this to me. It's really unique, and my face is clean. All I have is toner on, and I want to try this product on my face. So first, let's talk about what is this. This is a $60. You get two items right here. You get the hydrating hyaluronic acid and niacinamide serum, and it's a ½ ounce. And you get this Active Blast. Is an instant release collagen booster. That's so cool, and it has a 7 packet in here. Let me show you guys. It is really cool. You open this like that. There's 7 individual use, and you're gonna take this out. So what we are going to do is we're going to put this in my palm and do a couple drop of a serum to activate it. This treatment, and then massage my face, and followed by skincare. So let's give it a try right now. I'm very excited about this. And then they do sell the 7-day treatment for $60 or 28-day for $165, and they are actually available on Sephora too, and Sephora is having the spring sales event, so it's pretty good deal. Okay, so I'm gonna open this now to show you guys. It's a little this is remind me the little the milk. You know, when you drink coffee, you open the little milk packet. So when you open this, it has a little interesting little ball right here. Can you guys see this? Okay, so I'm supposed to put this in my palm. It feels like, what is it? It feels like a little cotton. I don't know, can you see that? A little cotton, see that little sticky cotton? Almost like a cotton, dry out cotton candy. That's how it feels like. Then I'm gonna open this, open the hydrating balm. And then we're gonna just put a dropper in here. Let's see, it's supposed to dissolve. Oh, it really did dissolve. Okay. See, it's all gone now. Then we just massage both hands. I'm gonna apply this on the face. No smell. When I apply this on the skin, it feels a little bit sticky. I have to say, skincare technology has grown so much versus 5 years ago, 10 years ago. I mean, this is really cool. And it's kind of definitely sticky feel. Okay. And after this, you can massage a little bit. So I'm going to use my rose quartz roller, just kind of massage upward to allow the treatment going deeper, like that. Also do a little lymphatic drainage. On the box, it tells you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday, 7 day. So I already used the Sunday. Oh well, that's fine. So it is a 7-day supply. You should use it every day for the 7 day. And then they also have a little QR code that you can scan. Let me scan this real quick to see what it say on here. Let me record this so we can see what's going on. Okay, I'm recording now. So scan the QR code. And then see what it say. I probably should have done that first. I'm laughing at myself because I think everyone's like me. We don't read instruction. We just go ahead and do it. I think we know, but we don't. Okay, it is the same video that I found at the Sephora website. Yeah, and this is, let me go to, you can switch to USA because I believe this is a UK brand. So, okay, so decline offer. So it says right here, immediate results, smoother, firmer, radiant looking skin. After 28 days, youthful glow, reduction of fine lines, wrinkles, and pigmentations. So now, each individual active blast sphere is a freeze-dried, oh, there's so many ads, freeze-dried fresh, and a triple seal for the high potency. Okay. So this treatment is actually 200 times better than the traditional collagen treatment and deliver up to 90% penetration in the upper layer of a skin. Okay. Yep. Okay. So that's what this product do. It's about what, 3 minutes now, 4 minutes. It still feels a little sticky, tackiness. And I think that's had to do with the sphere, the collagen in there. So that's fine. I'm okay with that. And then after this, you just want to use your regular face moisturizer. So what do I think about treatment like this? I really think it's a really cool to market the products. And I can see the difference is that, how do I say that? See, today if you bought a treatment just like that, like this bottle, right? Most of the people most of the people may forgot to use daily for whatever the reason. But if you have a little capsule right here, it actually forces you to remind you to use the product every single day. So I think the philosophy, the packaging, the marketing is very, very smart. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I use it day one now. I would definitely use complete 7 day. So today is Saturday. So I will do another review after 7 days to see how my skin feel and post on Instagram story so you can check it out. So yeah, again, let me know, have you tried Skin Gym before? It's a very interesting concept, their brand. I like it. So let's look at the website real quick. Let me just show you guys this. It's really interesting to see that. So this is their website. You can see they have a skincare product right here, right? They also have a tool, different massage tool. Wow, what's this? Face shot. They have too many ads on the website. It's kind of annoying. Oh my god, this is expensive. $578. Okay, so they have a skincare, skin tool. They have a kit, a value kit. Workout. What's this? So you pay what? Whoa, so you had to pay money to work out. Let's just say radio frequency. High impact workout combined with radio frequency. So let's see, what is this? I'm interested to see. $285. Book workout. So do you go to the appointment? What is this? Ultimate sessions. Okay, I'm not gonna book this now. I'll just see this real quick. If I book. Let's see. I got it. So it's actually, workout is really their facial services that you can book. It tells you location they have in New York. There's a Saks, Upper East Side, Nordstrom, West Hollywood. There's one in West Hollywood, is nearby me, and there's one in New York. So it's really 5 locations in New York and 1 in Los Angeles. Got it. Very smart. Very smart. Okay, so now you know. So yeah, today is just a really quick video doing a little demo on this product that they sent to me. Thank you again. I mean, I'm really appreciate the brand starting supporting me. I mean, that's really great. And this product comes with a little muslin bag or cotton bag. Products in there: face gym, skincare, movement. Love it. This bag was used consistent, created with 100% organic cotton, water base. Okay, so this is cool, like little bag. You can put whatever stuff in there. And this is only ½ ounce. So if I'm using only 3 to 4 drops for each treatment, I'm gonna have this a lot. So I'm gonna try this real quick without the spear to see this on the skin, how this feel. So I'm gonna put this on my hand to see if this also feels sticky. Yeah. Okay. The serum itself is very water soluble. It's very light. It's not sticky feel. So what made the sticky feeling is this thing right here. Just so you guys know that. You can use more. And you know what? I want to share with you. Just kind of trying this product right now. I think if you want to get even better result from my own experience, I will probably use 1 drop of this on a clean face first. So your skin's already moist with the hydrating serum and niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Then you activate the active blast with the serum again so they can do better job. Because I feel like it's already sticky, it takes longer time to absorb. But if I have hydrated skin, this probably gonna absorb faster, so reduce the sticky texture feel. So I will probably do that. So yeah, let me know what you think about today's videos, and make sure you follow me on all my social media, Mr. Jen All-in-One on Instagram, and of course, subscribe, like this video, and share my video on your social media. That will mean so much to me. Alright, I will see you guys later. Bye!